All right. Another day without a punch, not a punch button, without up. Now, this guy is pretty good. He really thinks about his movements, so takes some time. I'm just thinking that I'm about to build up and do a crossover. Sometimes it works, it gets him over. He's not falling for it. He doesn't realize I'm going to do it. And this exercise makes me, okay, let me just... There we go. Now I have a full meter and I can just hit the next guy comes out. Because Mega Man's not going to do anything, but the way that Mega Man wins is if you attempt to counter him a lot. Because if he's throwing all these projectiles and you attempt to counter, you're going to get damage. But Mega Man's Buster doesn't damage you at all. Unless he supercharges it. You know, he holds it down. This guy doesn't like tagging, so... if I can... That's the part I miss in the up button. And this guy, I hate this guy, but this is why he saved my super bars. I don't like Gambit. When you try to become a hero during a crossover, you're going to get some damage. This is the part I hate, because I can't do anything to this guy. He's Gambit. Because you can go forward because Gambit's going to card your butt. If you jump over, yeah, you could jump, but I can't jump. So like I said, I have a broken joystick. There we go. Sometimes they do this. And this is easy to wait out because he runs out of bars. Oh, why did he do that? What the Mega Man saying right there? Oh, did I get the... Oh, you left me. Yeah, they do that. So another guy joined. So I gotta wait for them to press start. Oh, I did not want to pick Spider-Man. I did not want to pick Spider-Man. I want to lose because I'm Spider-Man. Oh, it jumps sometime. Oh yeah, sometimes it jumps. So it's broken. It jumps sometimes. You know, my subconscious wants to jump. What does Spider-Man do? Please kill me. I don't want this team. I just won't make it easy, that's all.
Strider, Hildu, win. Here comes a new challenger. Select your hero. Wolverine. Morphus.
Let's go, Bob.
Ready.
I don't want Wolverine first. You know, you don't even have to block Michelle hard. Just take that one hit. You get stunned and he's not going to do anything. He's probably going to orb. See? Orbs and then... And then tag. Of course, I should have dashed right there. And Captain Commando's probably the most useless person in the game.
Wolverine.
I don't know why he's in the game. Doesn't do anything. Just shoots projectiles. Has no ground tactics.
Wolverine.
Man. Oh no, not again. Ah, shit.
Ready.
I don't want to pit Wolverine first. I like throwing hits real far away, so Wolverine's H high punch just overextends a bit. Just dominates that. I wasn't expecting that rollback. You know, sometimes you just gotta give it the last straw hit. Like, I mean, the last stand hit. Like, he was like, I'm gonna give up. I can't do anything. He double teamed me. That's it. When that happens, you either gotta take that, you know, what do you call it? Oops. The last hit, hoping it does something.
Let's go, Bob.
Ready. Fight.
And at this point, just he should be like, I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna give up. Let me just give it all. I gotta give. Because everyone thinks that, oh, okay, he double teamed me. He's gonna take 20% of my life just by chip damage. And yeah, that's true. But you can hold off and just chill and be patient. Like it's just gonna be like what, 5 seconds for the level 2 duel. Oh shit. I'm gonna leave that there until he selects. Oh, let me see. Get out? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, in the old days, when no menu was attached to the start button, you would just wait until the person picks a guy, and you automatically select your helper by holding start and whatever helper you want to select, the button corresponding to it. But here, it's like you can open up a menu so you can quit. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. So now I can. Yeah. I deserve all of that. What is Captain Commando good for? Like, what does he do? He doesn't belong in this game. He doesn't do anything. Like once the orb just hit, no matter what, pretend they don't have orbs, because that's what they want you to do. Pretend they don't want you to, they want you to pretend you can't hit them. And it's really, you can hit them. The orbs are just something of your imagination. You're just, if you pay attention to them, you're gonna die. You're gonna sit there and you're gonna be blocking them all day. You're not gonna be able to hit the person. But if you attack them, you're gonna get more damage on them than they get on you. Because you know what happens with orbs is it knocks you back into blocking position once you get hit. If he stops and tries to block himself, which happens all the time. It's like, oh no, something's gonna happen. He's gonna grab me maybe. So that's why you see my gameplay, I am attacking people who orb me. Like, you're gonna get some damage. Right here, medium kick. Oh man, so that's what happens when you play on Turbo 2. You come back to Turbo 1, which is this game, and you're like, wait a minute, it's moving too slow. Oh, jump the jump the jump! So I didn't taunt the guy. That's the game taunting them. Like Capcom did not decide to put like another like winning pose. They just like, let me go reuse the taunt button. Probably taking a sip of this water, and he's taking a delay to pick his guy.
Let's go, Bob.
I don't want to start with...
Fight!
I don't play many Ryus. My up button doesn't work. It's sometimes I can get it to work if I press like multiple times. So when I have them in sort of a blocking, when they're stuck blocking, then I'm pretty much free to like try 4 to 5 times trying to get the guy to jump up. And then you know, I have room for mistakes. And when you're playing a game normally, you don't have room for mistakes if it's just one-on-one because they're gonna punish you. So you have them blocking, then you can jump up. You know, if you have a messed up joystick, you can press, you know, up like 5 or 6 times, not worry about being punished.
Fight!
Wait, who am I? Who am I? I'm the blue one. Okay. And everyone does that. Like, everyone just wants to send a Colossus at you. Oh, that was stupid. So he does have 4 Colossuses. So the way I'm going to win is chip damage. He's probably going to know I'm going to chip him to death. So take the roll and grab him. Okay. I guess that wasn't chip damage.
Here comes a new scavenger. Select your hero. Captain Commando.
Stop picking Captain Commando. He is not useful.
Colossus.
They just put him in a game just to have him there. He was probably a helper at one point. He was not... I'm pretty sure Captain Commando was a helper. And then they felt like, oh, he looks cool. Let's make him do something more. He does nothing. So you can do double middle kick. If they air push block it, then you get the second kick free. So I should tag out of this, but I gotta wait for him to do something funny like this. And I don't know why it's lagging. It just ruins everything. Ugh.
KO! Wolverine, win! Here comes the new scavenger. Select Wolverine, Morphus56K. Colossus. Fight!
This guy. Yeah. Oh, Colossus.
Wolverine, win. Here comes a new challenger. Select Wolverine, Morphus. Silence, Colossus.
Let's go.
Ready. Fight!
Oh, I missed it. Yeah, I'm not telling him to pick Captain Commando. I think it was a stupid decision.
Let's go.
Oh, come on. Yeah, I love when it waits to Colossus because they give me so much trouble. Oh, he went up. I missed going up. This guy's making a comeback, huh? Now, push block this. Oh, he's supposed to... Wait a minute. Oh, I must have hit him. I didn't let him... His animation reset, so... That should have hit him. But I just had to wait a little longer.
Let's go.
Ready. Fight!
What happened to the high punch?
Wolverine, win. Here comes a new challenger.
He's coming back, man.
Wolverine, Morphus.
I guess I can't talk so much about Captain Commando right now. He's kicking my ass now. Alright. I held the 3 punches, but it still puts this guy in first. Yeah, back to it. Captain Commando is useless. And I'm useless because I can't kick. Oh! Now I'm pretty much sitting duck. He has 4 Colossuses.
Shoulder cannon. War destroyer. Shoulder cannon. Shoulder cannon. Shoulder cannon. Put it up. Shoulder cannon. Put it up.
Very good.
Now you know I won that right there.
Wolverine, win. Select Wolverine, Morphus. Colossus.
So
Let's go.
Ready. Fight. Attack.
no.
Let's go.
Oh no, he's still using. Oh, what? Damn. He's catching up. He's catching up.
Real call. Real call. Real call. Real call. War destroyer.
Combo finish. KO.
All right.
Morphus, win.
Captain Commando is trash.
Here comes new challenger. Select your hero.
He's gonna pick that guy again.
Captain
There
Commando.
you go.
Wolverine. Colossus.
Come on, come on. There we go. Okay, now it's my game.
Ready. Fight.
Go, buddy. Just like
Captain Commando's still useless. That's
Combo finish. KO. Captain Commando. Win. Here comes a new challenger. Select Morphus, Wolverine. Colossus. Ready. Fight.
Go, buddy. More destroyer.
See that move? Look at that. Look how much life I lost. Half of my life to just a super plus a helper. So if you pick Colossus, that's it. You're pretty much going to be doing super after you send it over.
Combo finish! KO! Wolverine, win!
Tornado claw. Tornado claw.
Select one team. Wolverine. Colossus.
Alright, 2 more games.
Ready. Fight!
Go, buddy.
See, watch this. Look how much life I lose. You see that? That's all you need. Now, everything in the game doesn't matter. Every hit doesn't matter because you can just do a helper and then shoot that little guy in Berserker Raj. See? And that's it.
Wolverine, win! Select one team. Wolverine. Colossus. Ready. Fight!
Shoulder cannon. Mark off. Mark off. Shoulder cannon. Shoulder cannon. Go, buddy. Shoulder cannon.
Wonderful.
So at that point, don't tag out. Because if you tag out and he's going to hit you with Colossus and a super, and that's going to be half of your life.
Captain Command.